Angel number 655 means that you have positive universal energies surrounding you. The divine realm is sending you this number to encourage you during these unpredictable times. This number signifies that the decisions you make now will determine how strong of a person you become. It is a time for tough decisions and self-reflection in order to move forward in your life. Though you may experience some setbacks, know that these will only make you a stronger person in the long run. This is an excellent time to focus on your personal assets and what you can do to improve your life. What does this mean for the law of attraction? For the law of attraction, angel number 655 means that you are learning lessons through experience. You are becoming a stronger person, and this means you can attract more abundance into your life. This is a difficult life phase, but it is also a time of great growth. You can use this time to learn more about yourself and what you are capable of. The law of attraction is all about envisioning your desires, and allowing the universe to help you bring them to life. And angel number 655 offers encouragement in life. It means that now is an excellent time to bring your desires to fruition. What does this mean for love? If you are single, angel number 655 means that you are about to enter a new and exciting phase in your love life. You may meet someone special who will change your life for the better. Your vibrational energies will match perfectly, and this will lead you to a happier life overall. Even though you may have had your heart broken in the past, do not let this hold you back from finding love again. The person you are meant to be with is out there, and this number is a sign that they are coming into your life very soon. What does this mean for your relationship? If you are in a relationship, angel number 655 means that things are going well or will start to go well soon. You and your partner are vibrating at the same frequency and should enjoy a healthy and happy domestic life if you live together. If you do not yet live together, you should expect things to start moving in that direction. This number also indicates that you may have or will soon have children together. You can expect a happy and harmonious relationship with your partner if you follow your heart. What does this mean for twin flames? For your twin flame journey, angel number 655 means that you and your twin are going through some tough decisions. You may be feeling lost and confused, but it is important to trust that you will find your way back to each other. This is a difficult phase of the journey, but it is also a time of great growth. You will learn so much about yourselves and each other during this time. And eventually, you will be able to reunite and live a happy and fulfilling life together. What does this mean for pregnancy? If you are already pregnant, angel number 655 is a strong message from your angels and spirit guides that you are about to have a healthy and happy baby. You can expect a smooth pregnancy and delivery, with no complications. This is a very lucky number for pregnant women, so enjoy this time. If you are not yet pregnant, then angel number 655 means that you will be soon. If you have been trying to conceive, this is a very positive sign. You may not have to try for much longer before you get the good news that you are pregnant. What does this mean for spirituality? For spiritual growth, angel number 655 means that you are about to enter a very powerful and influential time. You will be open to new insights and ideas, and your spiritual understanding will deepen. This is an excellent time for meditation, prayer, and other spiritual practices. You may also find yourself drawn to new teachers or guides who can help you on your journey. Be careful that you don't fall for any false prophets, however. Stick to your own intuition and gut instinct to find your way. It's a good idea to make sure you are grounded in reality because it's so easy to get caught up in the wrong things. If you know you are particularly vulnerable, take extra care to protect yourself spiritually. What does this mean for your career? For your career, angel number 655 means that you are about to enter a very successful time. You will be rewarded for your hard work and dedication, and you can expect to see some major progress in your career. This is an excellent time to put your plans into action and to make some major moves. If you've experienced difficulty networking with others, whether they be co-workers or your superiors,